Hi everyone, my name is Chandrika. I am 20 years old and today we are going to talk about myself. That's reflection of myself. So let's get started. Well, I'm a Bengali and I live in a very small city called Haldia, which is in West Bengal. My family also belongs from here and we right now live in Haldia as well. Well, I have four members in my family: my brother, my father, mother, and I. And I'm doing BTech, yeah, exactly, Bachelor's of Technology, Engineering in Applied Petroleum Engineering with specialization in gas. I know it's a very odd branch, but yes. I'm in my pre-final year, and I'm right now a bit of placement side of thing, internships and placements. So let's first talk about my hobbies. What are my hobbies? So I am very fond of art. I love art and I'm just like I want to create things, from waste materials I create things. I paint, just love painting. So I also have an art page, I made during this lockdown. I made an art page and it's on Instagram named @creatophobia. Please go and follow. I have an art page as well, and sometimes I do cooking, singing, dancing. I just love it. And one more important thing is that whenever I get bored from studies, I'm a nerd, and whenever I get bored from studies, I just go and watch YouTube videos. And recently, I'm also addicted to Netflix and Amazon Prime as well. I know. These are my hobbies. Let's talk about my achievements, placement stuffs and all. You should know my achievements, my strengths, my USPs, and why should a company hire me. So let's talk about my achievements. Well, last month, I was the winner of 5G case study organized by UPS SGG student chapter, and luckily they also published an article on their Genesis monthly newsletter. You can see it the screenshot on my presentation as well. And also I got merit certificate from Government of India in my boards because of 10 CGPA. So also I got first position in poster making in Swachhta Pakhwara organized by NSS UPS. Yeah, that's my achievements. And my goals, my life goals. Well, my only life goal is that I want to be self-independent. I want to do a good job. I want to make my parents proud. A mediocre girl's dreams, that's my dream as well. I want my own flat, my own car. I want to give whatever my parents have put on me. I just want to give them that as well as early as possible, because I'm in my 20s now. Yeah, that's my life goal. And as well as I want to try some recipes, because I'm recently I'm into cooking and all. So I want to try some recipes as well. And also I want to start a YouTube channel of my own. I'm inspired from many YouTubers. Let's talk about USPs. My tagline is I never give up. I believe in myself actually. But my tagline is believe in yourself, never ever give up until and unless you have achieved your dreams. Because mistakes are to be made. If you fear mistakes, you can't do things. That's my number one USP and also my tagline, which I always follow in my life. And second most important thing is that I am a very passionate about learning. I'm hungry about knowledge, and I'm very passionate, in my work as well. I'm a good listener, and I'm also a good communicator. I can make connections very easily. I have I'm very friendly. I have made connections with industrialists as well in my past few years in college. And also I'm doing a lot of projects right now. 2 to 3 projects are ongoing, and I'm going to publish my paper as well. So let's see. Talking about my why should a company hire me? Yeah, placement time. So why should a company hire me? Well, it depends on the job. according to me, I think that I can tell whatever trainings I have done, I have whatever experience, whatever internships I have done till now, I can show them. This is what I can show them, and I think I will tell them that this is why I'm capable of. I will tell my strengths and weaknesses. Well, my strength is that I'm very confident about myself. I right now you can see me. I'm very confident. I know what I am doing. I never give up. I'm a good learner, quick learner as well. I'm hungry for knowledge. I'm multitasker. Art, dance, singing, cooking, studies as well. So I'm multitasker, and also I have different skills other than studies. Other than this hobbies, also I have different skills as well. Photoshop and all. I have different skills, marketing, content writing and all. I know. Well, weakness. Actually, this is a very I feel that I should tell everyone that I panic a lot. According to my friends as well, I panic too much in harsh and tough conditions. I just panic too much. And also I am a very lazy girl, and I'm not at all organized, but right now I am just trying to be organized as well. You can see my tummy. I've gained weight because of my laziness. I don't do workouts, and yeah, this is the result. You can see how much I am active on my social media. You should probably know, and also follow me because I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on Instagram, I'm on WhatsApp, I'm on Facebook as well, but I don't use Facebook that much, but other social media I use. I have on LinkedIn I have 1k plus followers, on Instagram 900 plus, and also I daily post 2 to 3 days. I in Alter I post pics there. Also art page. Don't forget to follow that, okay? @creatophobia. Yeah, that's all about me. And you can, whatever I've missed, you can check it on my presentation as well. This is me, Chandrika Cholia. Thank you. Bye.